Hola, senors y senores. It's me, Shadowside. How you doing? Anyway, welcome to the weird side of YouTube. Thank you. Anyway, the reason why you're not hearing this beautiful 2017 Dyna Lowrider made by Harley Davidson. Yes, that Harley Davidson. The one that puts a rumble in your stomach, the rumble in your testicles. I don't know why I said that. I'm sorry. Anyway, the reason for that is because I am jacking Yammy Noob's idea of motovlogging from the safety of my home with the recordings I made right here on YouTube. He was trying to reverse and I hit the horn. I don't know why he was trying to reverse. He wasn't anywhere near the end of that. Anyway, because I'm doing this, there's a good reason. I do finally have a microphone for my GoPro. I don't know how to connect it to my computer, which is why I'm using my computer's microphone. Which is why you are hearing all this echo! Echo, echo. Holy crap, do you see all that rice? Put that with a side of beans and you got yourself a good old Puerto Rican dinner. Anyway, back to the topic. I did have a microphone. The only thing is, it started raining. Anyway, so I'm doing the whole Yammy Noob approach. This right here is how you get some good footage. Go out with your GoPro. It gives you some great footage. Cutting to the highway now, I'm going to change topics a little bit. Mostly because part of one of the good things about doing motovlogs from the safety of your home, you can research things to talk about, because it's only been a minute in the video, 2 minutes. And I do want to bring this up. Yamaha. Yes, I'm talking to you. I, I may be a Harley rider, but I am a fan. Especially because you guys make some of the nicest bikes. If you have not seen the 2017 and up Yamaha R1s and R6s, get on that. It looks beautiful after that little bit of a facelift they gave. The thing is, just like how Suzuki discontinued the Hayabusa in the European countries, yes, you can still get it here in the United States. The problem is, Europe, because of their goddamn Greta, I forgot her last name, save the trees, bitch. What was her name again? Anyway, who cares? I'm not gonna stop my recording just to look her up. Honestly, because emissions. That is ruining everything. All the fun, honestly. I get you want to save the planet, but here's the thing. If you ever heard of George Carlin, he said it best. We're already fucked. Let's have fun anyway. So, that's why the R6 is going away, and I can bet the R1 is very close behind. For countries that let you have the R34, even though we can't have it for emissions, the same reason you can have it is the reason why we are gonna get rid of the R6. I just don't get that. Asia, Europe, come together on this. Of course, this is coming from an ignorant red-blooded American who got a 1000cc bike as soon as he got his license. Yes, you can do that here. Come on in. It's not all just guns and tacos. It's burgers, too. Oh no, wait, that would be the other way around, wouldn't it? Getting back on topic. Yes, it took me this long to get back on topic. The reason why I'm going and doing the Yammy Noob approach is because GoPro has this little thing where they refuse to play nice with third-party companies unless you buy their expensive adapters or their what they call the media mod. Anyway, I know what you're thinking. Why does he, stop and cut and do another, voice over, basically? Well, I'll tell you that. I do not have a script in front of me. I'm just going off the head. Also, I stutter a lot. Oh. Anyway, the medium mod costs about 80 bucks, and that's a lot for just a case with a microphone attachment. And the microphone, and you can add a microphone from the back, but you still need other accessories to make it work. That's the problem with GoPro, Apple, and a bunch of these other companies. They want you to spend money on their stuff. It's not going to work unless you spend money on something that they tell you to get. Honestly, I get it. I live in America. Capitalism. It happens. It's a thing. Our freaking president was one of the biggest freaking richest men in the world. I remember in middle school there were rumors that he had a solid gold yacht with a solid gold toilet. You know what I'm talking about. Taking them solid gold dumps with... I wonder if the corn would be diamonds. That's me getting off topic again. And wow, that was a really bad off topic. Jesus Christ. But that is an interesting question. Would gold poop have diamond encrusted corn? Because you could take that shit out, and you could sell it. And you could probably get another bike. Speaking of bikes, I encourage everyone out there to ride. I know it's scary, but honestly, I never had that fear. When I first started riding, my whole family rides. I never had that fear thrust into me until I got my very first motorcycle at the age of 18. And my friend was like, why do you have a motorcycle? It's scary. Don't you have a car? Why do you have a bike? And I'm there like, because it's cool and it's fun and I look like the Terminator. Yes, I had that bike. The Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Okay, no, I had a Honda Shadow Phantom that was modded out to look like a Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Like the one from Terminator 2. And I dressed like him and everything. I was 18. I'm glad I didn't have any pictures of then. I just have pictures of the bike. But Jesus Christ. If anyone asks you to mod your bike, do not mod it yourself, basically, to look like the Terminator. Especially when you're 90 pounds. You don't look like Arnold Schwarzenegger at 90 pounds, no matter how much you want to. It's not going to happen. Anyway, I'm just going to sign off for now. Good 8-minute video. So, I do want to say, like, subscribe, if you want to. If you like the video, let me know. If you don't, you know what? Screw it. Hit that dislike button. Let me know that this isn't for you. Shit. Let YouTube know. Don't flag me. Please don't. But shout out to Social Days HD, and, have a very nice day.